Want to create a professional website for free in 2026 without coding or design skills? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a free Wix website, from signing up to publishing your site live. First, go to wix.com and click on Get Started. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or email address. No credit card is required. Your free account is ready in seconds. Next, choose how you want to create your website. You can let Wix AI build a site for you automatically, or choose a template if you want full design control. Both options are free and beginner-friendly. Now select the type of website you're creating. This could be a business website, portfolio, blog, online store, or personal site. Wix uses this choice to customize your layout and features. You're now inside the Wix Editor. Here you can edit text, replace images, and drag and drop elements exactly where you want them. No coding is needed. Everything is visual and easy to use. Next, add important pages to your website. Click on Menus and Pages, then select Add Page. Common pages include Home, About, Services, Contact, and Blog. Now switch to Mobile View to optimize your site for phones. Adjust text size, spacing, and layout if needed. Wix automatically makes your site mobile-friendly, but small tweaks make it look even better. With the free plan, Wix gives you a free subdomain. Your website link will look like yourname.wixsite.com/your-website. You can upgrade later if you want a custom domain. Before publishing, click on Preview. Check how your website looks on desktop and mobile. Test buttons, links, and overall layout to make sure everything works perfectly. When you're ready, click Publish. Your website is now live and accessible to anyone online. Congratulations, you've just launched your free Wix website. With the Wix free plan, here's what you get: free hosting, a Wix subdomain, mobile responsive design, and full access to the Wix Editor and AI tools. However, there are a few limitations. Wix ads will appear on your site, and you won't get a custom domain unless you upgrade. To make your free Wix website look professional, follow these tips. Use only 1 or 2 fonts. Keep your color scheme simple. Add clear call to action buttons like Contact Us or Get Started. Always use high-quality images. And write short, clear content that's easy to read. And that's how you create a free Wix website in 2026, step by step. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want advanced Wix tips, SEO guides, or monetization strategies. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your website.